How's it going, guys? Dell here. I'm here to talk to you about the Xtreme 4-blade by Rage Broadheads. Now, this is an awesome broadhead. I mean, just look at it. I mean, looks like it's a warplane with a harpoon on the top. It has a very sleek design for flying through the air, very aerodynamic. Um, and when the broadhead deploy, hit your elk, hit your moose, whatever you're gonna be using it for your bison. It's gonna have over 2 1/3 inch cut, so it's gonna have huge entry wounds, leave massive blood trails. Um, with on top of that, it's gonna have an awesome aerodynamic design, as we talked about earlier, and also it does come with shock collars. You do need a red one if you're gonna be shooting with your crossbow, or your black one right here if you're like me and you're shooting traditional or compound. All you're gonna do is just slide it on, simple as that. Just be sure it's not going into the little slits, and just crank up your shaft right to it, and you're gonna be good to go. I can't wait to give this thing a try this year. Just can take down some big animals with it. Great product, another great product by Rage, and can't wait to get this out in the field.